Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off app drawer in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to turn on or off this app drawer, so let's see how can you do that. We have two simple ways. The very first, you just have to give a long press on your home screen and then click on settings. It will open home screen settings, or you can also go to your settings app. This go to settings, here go to home screen. Now once you are in home screen, you will see an option like home screen layout. Just simply click on it, and here you have to select the only home screen option. Just simply click on this one and then click apply. Now once it's done, you can see that there is no any app or any app screen no more. If you want to turn it back on, you have to simply go to home screen settings again, go to home screen layout, and select the first option from there, and you must see the app screen or app drawer here. So in this way, you can easily turn on or off your app drawer in Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.